Hey beauty people, welcome back to this video. In this video I will show you how you can install Google Tag Manager in your WordPress website without using any plugin. To install Google Tag Manager without any plugin, first go to your WordPress dashboard and then on the left panel hover over the appearance and then click on the theme file editor. Now on the right side go to the header.php. Now go to the Google Tag Manager and then copy the code. Go to WordPress and then go to head. Enter. Now paste the code. After that click on update file. Now go to Google Tag Manager. Close it. Now let's click on preview. And then here enter your domain name. Click on connect and there you go. We have successfully connected Google Tag Manager. So that's how you can do that. Hope that this video helped you out. If this video helped you, hit the like button and subscribe the channel. Thanks for watching.